Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to search for codes in the Temu app. Let's jump right into it. Open the Temu application on your smart device and check if you are logged into your account. By opening the Temu application on the homepage at the bottom of the screen in the very center, you can see your profile that says You and click on it. Then, on the new page, look for the coupons and offers option in the drop-down menu and click on it. By clicking on the coupons and offers option, the following page will open where you can see the offered coupons as in our case. If there are no coupons presented on this page, in order to find them, you will have to enter the codes in the empty field where it says Enter Coupon Code and then click on Apply. This will show the coupon on this page, and that's it. By following these simple steps, you can search for and use codes in the Theme app to save money on your purchases. It's a quick and easy way to make sure you're getting the best deals. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.